Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ajita Dubey or Dr. Dopamine, and today I'm here to discuss with you how exactly can you make your 20th notebook or your choti copy. So first of all, before we start discussing, let me tell you what exactly is a choti copy or a 20th notebook. Choti copy is a notebook where you are supposed to note down all the important topics and all the things that you repeatedly forget and would like to revise in the last month of your examination or probably in the last 15 days. I have my notebook with me right here, and it's very close to my heart because I bought a notebook with a motivational step by step, day by day. The idea behind making this copy was to have some sort of a material before the last 15 days so that when you start feeling overwhelmed and you start panicking that I don't know anything, I'm forgetting all the subjects, I have absolutely no idea where to revise from, you have something to guide you. You have a place where you've noted down all the things that you repeatedly forget, and if you struggle too much with understanding what exactly should you revise, you can at least see that. So personally, I would say there are two phases of making a choti copy. Let's understand how exactly do you go about making it. In phase 1, you will add points to your choti copy while you are studying or revising your notes. So when you are studying, say suppose anatomy from your rapid revision or your main notes, you will realize that there are certain things that you repeatedly forget, and then there will be certain things which are repeatedly asked in the questions. So we have to make sure that the things that we add in this notebook are 1, high yield, and 2, things that cater to your particular needs. So things that you're definitely supposed to add include previous year topics that you forget, factual based information that you forget, and formulas, right? I personally, in my choti copy, I can talk to you about it. Suppose hematology, I have written down the respective drugs which I forget. I have written down the classifications. I have written down the CD markers that I tend to forget, and also things like anticoagulant drugs, a little bit from transfusion medicine. So stuff like that. Now this helps you because these are questions that are repeatedly asked in entrance examinations, and they are also something that I personally tend to forget. So I have written down that in my copy. You are supposed to write down whatever you feel you tend to forget. If you think you are very good with CD markers, you don't need to add them. But if you think there's something else that you tend to forget, maybe the classifications or like the CRAB classification or the criteria for Waldenstrom's multiple myeloma, you can add something like that. That's totally up to you. The second phase of adding things to your choti copy comes when you're solving questions. So now when you're solving questions, you realize that there are certain things that you repeatedly get wrong. Now these can be factual informations, they can be conceptual problems, or they can be things that are there from your previous year topics. If they are factual problems, make sure to write them down because it's likely that you will forget them in the last few days before your examination. If they are questions that have a conceptual basis, you would benefit from understanding rather than noting down the entire concept in your copy. But if it is a concept from the previous year topic, be sure to make a small note so that you know that this is some concept that you keep forgetting and you can refer back to it later. Now also, things that I would definitely suggest adding in this copy would be the scores and formulas that you tend to forget because they are things that you would want to revise right before you step into the examination hall, right? You can add in things like translocations, different kinds of drugs of different systems so that you have them in one place before the exam. You can add BNS sections. All in all, anything that seems like something that you would want to see in the last 15 days before the exam, make sure to add it in this copy. And I would like to share a personal story. I made this copy and I made it with a lot of effort, and I made sure to add everything that I personally would want to revise, and I did not get the time to revise it. But you know what? The process of making this copy, the process of finding out things that are volatile and writing them down, because now we are no longer in the habit of writing and learning, right? So once you do that, once you're making this copy, that itself kind of reinforces that concept into your brain while you're making that copy. So even if you don't revise it, it is still going to help you out in your exam. And that is why I think even if you feel like you might not get enough time to go through everything that you write down, you can still choose to make this copy because it will definitely help you out in your preparation. If you have any other doubts that you would like me to solve or anything about how to make this condensed last minute revision notebook, please write down in the comments. If you like this video or would like any other suggestion, please let me know, and thank you so much. Please drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you.